There you are, chilling on the couch without a single worry, and out of nowhere, you looked at your bank account and thought, wait, where did all my money go? Between rising grocery prices and hidden subscriptions, tracking feels impossible. Honestly, who has the time to sit with a spreadsheet anymore? But what if you didn't have to? What if you could hand the stressful math over to an AI, turning your phone into a 24/7 financial bodyguard? Today, we're upgrading your financial life. I'm going to show you how to fire yourself from the world's worst part-time job, budgeting, and build an invisible AI system that manages your money while you sleep. We are going to throw out those exhausting manual spreadsheets, hunt down and cancel those sneaky subscriptions draining your accounts. Pull all your messy financial apps into one clean dashboard and show you how to let AI automatically find your tax write-offs. If any of those headaches sound a little too familiar, don't worry. You're exactly where you need to be. Stick around because we're going to put your money on absolute autopilot and finally get you your time back. Let us begin. First up, mastering the budget. Think about the biggest headache of managing your money. Your checking account, credit cards, and investments are scattered across 10 different apps. The AI securely grabs everything and puts it in one place, automatically tracking your dollars and categorizing your spending. You don't have to do any math. The AI handles it all. Now imagine doing this with a partner. Usually, sharing finances just means endless arguments and messy joint spreadsheets. With this AI, you track household goals together but keep your individual accounts private. It's a unified view with zero stress and zero arguments. So, what is this magical AI? If you want the ultimate all-in-one system for yourself, the tool you need is called Origin. And if your main focus is collaborating perfectly with a partner, the top tool right now is Monarch Money. Here is exactly how you use them. First, you connect your accounts. Don't worry, it is very secure. The AI can see the numbers to do the math, but it can never touch or move your money. After connecting, it's not about looking at old charts. It's about the future. You just ask the AI, if I cut $200 from takeout, how much more will I save? And it plots the exact trajectory. The AI instantly factors in your data, runs the math, and gives you a clear timeline. You just ask questions, and it builds the plan. Next up, stopping the overspending. Do you ever check your bank account and realize you somehow just spent $300 on iced coffee? You don't need a tracker, you need an intervention. Enter Clio. This AI literally roasts your spending habits. It texts you like a blunt best friend, telling you to put the credit card down before you go broke. But maybe you don't want a roast. Maybe you just need strict, aggressive discipline. That's where YNAB comes in. It uses AI categorization to enforce one simple rule: zero-based budgeting. Every single dollar gets a specific job before you even spend it. Clio brings the tough love. YNAB brings the discipline. Pick one, and let AI finally fix those bad money habits for good. Okay, pause. This next one is my absolute favorite tool of the video, and it is basically free money. We talk about your monthly pickpockets. Right now, you are probably paying for at least 3 subscriptions you completely forgot about. A streaming app you haven't opened in months, a free trial that auto-renewed, or some random premium service you thought you canceled. This is where AI tools like Rocket Money come in. They scan your accounts, hunt down every single recurring charge, and put them in one clear list. The best part? You don't have to call customer service or navigate confusing menus to cancel them. You literally press one button, and the AI acts as your personal concierge, fighting the company and canceling it for you. It instantly stops the bleeding. Set it up once, and immediately put cash back in your pocket. It is ridiculously easy to use. If you want a quick, guaranteed win today, you definitely need to give this one a try. We just plugged the leaks. Now let's talk about the tool that will put the largest chunk of cash back in your pocket. The tax man. If you have any kind of side hustle, freelance gig, or 1099 income, tax season is usually pure panic. And worse, you are probably leaving thousands of dollars on the table simply because keeping track of every single receipt is exhausting. Enter the AI tax assistant. Tools like Keeper or FlyFin act like a 24/7 CPA living inside your phone. They automatically scan your purchases and use AI to uncover hidden tax write-offs you definitely would have missed. A portion of your Wi-Fi bill? That coffee meeting? Your gas mileage? The AI catches it all and categorizes it instantly. No more shoeboxes full of crumpled receipts. Just export the file, lower your tax bill, and keep your hard-earned money. You just built a completely automated AI finance stack. Let's do a rapid-fire recap so you can pick your weapon. Look at this list and ask yourself, which of these 4 problems is causing you the most stress right now? Pick just one tool from this list today, spend 5 minutes setting it up, and start getting your time and money back. If this video saved you a headache, or a few bucks, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments, what would you like me to cover next? See you in the next one.